Hey and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you my Memento Mori life planner Notion template, which is designed to help you live a more fulfilling, mindful life with Notion. So the Memento Mori life planner has 6 sections: dashboard, legacy, reflections, bucket list, memories, and philosophical insights. So if we go inside the dashboard here, we can find today's agenda. So these are all tasks planned for today with the importance, urgency, notes, duration, and related goal. And also here there is a checkbox to mark the task as completed. And then inside the dashboard, we have a planning center. So here you can easily plan and schedule your tasks using calendar. Also view and plan your tasks with the table. So here you can identify tasks, for example, which can be delegated, eliminated, or automated. And for example, if the task can be eliminated, you can delete it completely. And also the planning center has a priority matrix, so you can easily mark tasks as important and urgent, or not important, not urgent. So this is a 2x2 matrix of importancy and urgency. And then the dashboard has a live progress. So here you can see how your life has been passing, so life progress, and how year has been passing, so year progress, and also the Memento Mori calendar. And you can configure this life progress inside the databases. So if you go to databases and life progress, here you just set date of birth and how many years you plan to live, and the formulas will compute the rest. Then the Life Planner has a legacy section. So here you can find your purpose using the Ikigai framework. So you have here 4 questions that help you find your purpose. And also this section has goals tracker. So here you can track all your goals, not started, ongoing, and completed goals. And inside each goal, you will find tasks, not completed, completed, and all tasks. And also in this section, you will find the time audit. So here you will see all your tasks, all your completed tasks, and you can check if the task is aligned or not with your values, your purpose, and your goals. So this is to help you better understand how you spend your time and if it makes progress towards your purpose and your goals. Then the Memento Mori Life Planner has reflection section. So here you can reflect on your days and on your weeks. And these reflections are created automatically every day or every week. Then there is a bucket list. So here you can list down everything you want to achieve in your life with the action steps and track if it was completed or not. And also deadline and the impact level on your life. The Memento Mori Life Planner also has memories section. So here you can journal and list down all your memories, significant moments, and achievements in your life. So for example, trips or graduation, work, etc. And also the gratitude journal. So everything you're grateful for, you can list down here. And lastly, the Memento Mori Life Planner has a section to track philosophical insights. So here you can track quotes and reading list with author, category, and status. So yeah, this is the Memento Mori Life Planner, and I hope you liked it. And if you want to learn more and get this life planner, I will leave the link to this template in the comments. You can get it at Grizzly Templates Marketplace.